In this video, I'll show you how to add breakpoints to Webflow. So here we are on the Webflow dashboard. And what you want to do is just go to one of your sites. And now on the top here where mine says desktop, those are our breakpoints. So let's click on that. Now you'll see we have some defaults here like tablet view or mobile view, but we can also add larger breakpoints. And here are your options. And note that if we add one of these breakpoints and we click create, there's no going back. Now everything looks pretty good here actually, though if you do want to edit some things for your breakpoints, you're going to have to go in and manually edit them. So adjusting everything from the navigator on the side, for instance this container, and then adjusting it here in the style section. And that's how you add breakpoints to Webflow, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.